Thank you very much. Once again, thank you very much. You've been wondering what am I doing. So I was just trying to prepare the room where I'll be keeping another batch of broilers. So first of all, I had spread the sawdust. As you can see, this is the wood saving. Others call it wood saving. Wood saving, sawdust, still the same. So wood savings would be dry. As you can see, they are super dry. So after doing this, so today is just preparation day. I was just trying to spread them on the floor. So after spreading them on the floor, I'll just I'll spread a gunny sack over on top, so that the chicks will be eating from on top. I don't want the chicks to be exposed to this sawdust, yeah, because they are still young and they might start picking particle of the sawdust, so that might affect their digestive system. So I'm just trying, after doing this, I'll show you how I've spread the gunny sack on top of the floor. So this is the room, this is the ceiling. I've tried to use the gunny sack over here, yeah, to conserve the heat. Let's try to conserve the thing. So this is the sack over here to conserve the heat. So keep watching, you'll see more on what I've done today. So today I want just to show you what I've done today. Yeah. So just keep watching. Yeah, thank you very much. Yes. Wow, that is the floor. You see what I was saying? So I was saying that this is how you take the sacks, you join them using sewing machine. After joining them, they'll be of this nature. After joining, they will be this way. So when chicks will come, this will be walking on top of this. Feed will be here, water will be on top of this. So it will be so okay for them to enjoy. You know, when chicks are too old, they can eat those wood savings and get problem with their digestive system because they are still young. So we do it this way to prevent that. So this will be our brooder. So as you will be tuning to my channel, you will be seeing more and more update of how they will be faring on daily, how their growth will be every day. As I'll be sharing their growth every day. So this is how they are supposed to be. So for today, we are through. We are through with whatever we were doing today. So let's wait for the chicks. When chicks will arrive, we will see. And if there will be some other changes, keep it tuned. You will see. Provided that you will be tuned in. Remember to tune in. Don't move. Much more to come. Yeah, there's a lot of preparation. This is just a preparation, and we will not finalize it. I need to partition this area. See, from that pillar over there to this pillar, coming this way to this wall. I'll partition it tomorrow because I'll be having two different breed but of the same day old. So I wanted to see their growth pattern, which company is producing the best chicks so far. So keep tuning. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you. Bye bye. Welcome back again. Thank you very much. Yup. The first batch are here. The first batch of our chicks are here. This is a new company. We are trying to see how it will go. That's why I told you yes from the other video that we started with. I was telling you that I'll subdivide this brooder. So these are the first group. They're here and they're okay. From the look, just fine. They're super happy, super strong. They're super hitting, running here and there. Yeah, this is a newest company. Yeah, sometime back we've been using the feed from this company. So they started manufacturing the feed, then later on they ventured into chicks. So the first batch, want to know how it will take us through the growth pattern. So we place them on the same day. So on the same day, yeah, because we want to know how the growth pattern will be. So as you are watching this video for your first time coming across my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel, share my channel so that I might reach a wider audience with others. Share with your best friend, invite a friend to come to watch my videos. They're educative. I do mostly poultry vlogging and village lifestyle, so anything happening in a village, but mostly my vlogs majorly are on poultry, be it chicken, ducks, geese, turkeys. Yeah, these are what I major on. So keep watching. So I'll be seeing much. Are you seeing this section here? This other end here, I want to place others. So I was just cutting that plain sheet over there to help me cover the corners. So this point here is where I want to place the other company we've been keeping. Yeah, this larger section. Yeah, this larger section will be keeping the other company chicken. Okay, so this is how it is. You see them. Yep, they are drinking. Yeah, they're super happy, super neat, super gorgeous. Yeah, and the warmer is here. The house temperature is okay. There's no one flocking. They're not flocking in any of the corners. The house temperature is just okay with them. Yeah, the house temperature is just okay with them. Yep. Just okay with them. Others are crying. The feed here, starter crumbs. The feed here, starter crumbs. Yeah, they easily pick it. There, some are drinking, some are enjoying.